Ling leaves her house at 8 a.m. and drives at a constant 45 miles per hour, reaching the hiking trail at 10 a.m. After hiking for 3 hours, she drives home at a constant 60 miles per hour. Which graph best shows the distance between Ling's car and her house over time? The 5 answer choices are all distance versus time graphs, labeled A through E. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's build the graph one piece at a time. From 8 to 10 a.m. That's 2 hours at 45 miles per hour. So she covers 45 times 2, which is 90 miles. The distance from home rises steadily from 0 up to 90. During the 3-hour hike, from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., the car just sits in the parking lot. The distance stays flat at 90 miles. Driving home at 60 miles per hour. 90 miles takes 90 divided by 60, which is 1.5 hours. From 1 p.m. to 2:30 p.m., the distance falls from 90 back down to 0, because she drives home faster. This line is steeper than the trip out, so the graph rises to 90, stays flat, then drops steeply back to 0. That matches answer choice E. The answer is E.